We've always known that food affects our mood and our health, but the connection is far more profound than simple nutrition. The science of epigenetics reveals that your diet is a gene switch. The molecules in the food you eat, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals, are not just fuel. They are direct messengers that communicate with your DNA. They tell your genes which ones to express and which ones to silence. This is the scientific basis for the food-mood connection. It gives you an incredible, daily power to influence your genetic destiny. Understanding how your diet rewrites your genes is the key to unlocking sustained mental clarity, emotional balance, and physical vitality. Stay with me. We will explore this profound connection with clarity and reverence. The power of diet as a gene switch lies in its ability to provide the raw materials for the epigenetic machinery. Specifically, food molecules directly influence the main mechanisms: DNA methylation and histone modification. Nutrients like B vitamins are essential for methylation. Without them, the body cannot properly tag and silence harmful genes. Compounds in foods like sulforaphane and curcumin can directly inhibit or activate enzymes that modify histones, promoting detoxification and anti-inflammation. This is the food-mood connection in action. A nutrient-rich diet promotes genes related to neuroplasticity and serotonin production. The gut-brain gene axis is highly sensitive to stress. When your nervous system is dysregulated, your gut lining becomes compromised. If your nervous system is in fight or flight, your body will prioritize survival over nutrient absorption and gene repair. We need a practice that speaks the body's language, sending a direct signal of safety to the nervous system. The MindBody Reset is the tool that provides this regulation. It creates a state of inner safety and comfort, positive gene expression. Now, I invite you to join me for this practice. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Let your feet rest on the floor. There's nothing to do, nothing to achieve, just to be. Let's start by placing one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Feel the warmth of your hands. Now bring your attention to your breath. No need to change it, just to notice it. The air coming in, the air going out. Inhale gently through your nose, and exhale slowly through your mouth, as if blowing through an invisible straw. Feel your body settle a little more with each exhale. Imagine your body is a landscape, and your breath is a gentle breeze passing through. After this practice, you may have noticed a subtle shift. This feeling of space or calm is the essence of regulation. When you combine food as a genetic messenger with the MindBody Reset, you are actively optimizing the food-mood connection. I invite you to share your favorite epigenetic food or your experience in the comments below. Subscribe to thrive within MindBody Reset. Remember, you are stronger and more resilient than you think. You are safe. Take care.